Sing again, please.
May papabili ka mo chichirya, Tebel?
Oo.
Ay, nabili ko na ngayon.
Oh.
Like Mother Russia Dutch.
Mhm.
I want to vote so much.
Yung kulay green kong, ano,
Sing it again.
Raya.
Why?
I wanna hear that.
You're what?
Yeah.
Ow, ow.
You sing your own version of
Ano ba?
that
You're
song.
just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
I feel like heaven to touch. Oh.
I wanna hold you so much. Go ahead, Bunso. I'm listening.
You're going to put me to sleep.
What?
You mean you will put me to sleep? Knock me out.
Why?
Knocking me out with those not American eyes. Good song.
Oh, you sing that for me.
Oh,
You're supposed to be singing, not me.
Oh, wow, oh, wow.
What I did think.
No, you.
My name is Nico Bellic. I sang for you already.
I didn't heard that.
Did you not like my song? I sang it for you, Comrade.
Comrades.
I wanna hear it again.
Comrade General. I sang it for you.
No, that's an order. You have to do that.
The order, no.
Yeah.
Not true. It's not true. I am having many doubts.
Why?
I don't like.
Why you don't like?
Because I don't.
I thought you want me to be happy.
Do as the general say.
Now you're being a sneaky woman using it again. I should have known better. Let me open my mouth.
No, I'd be more happy if I heard you singing.
Yeah, if you go you sing for me. That's the secret weapon right there.
Yeah.
No, that's not fair. That's playing dirty.
That one? No.
That's like when you're boxing. That's like hitting below the belt.
No, it's okay. If you don't like to sing, it's okay. I understand.
No, I don't know how. I don't know how.
You know
Sing
how.
right. No, I don't know how.
You know how.
Really?
Yeah.
How do you know I know how?
Mas
Because I
maganda
heard
ang
you.
boses niya kay Joseph.
Heard me sing? What have you heard?